Hello friends, in today's video I am going to unbox Infinity Bluetooth speaker. This is one of the budget friendly speaker. It is portable. You can carry this speaker in your pocket. If you want to purchase this speaker, link is in description. You can purchase it. In box first we can see the user manual. You can go through the user manual if you want to know more about this speaker. As you can see, speaker is packed in well manner. With this speaker you will get an USB cable as well. You can attach this USB cable to your charger adapter and charge the speaker. You can see the size of the speaker and I am very excited to listen the sound effect of this speaker. So now let's connect the mobile to the speaker and listen the sound effect. Long tap on this button to turn it on. Now let's connect this Bluetooth speaker to mobile and let's play the songs. I will play a song which I have uploaded on my YouTube channel. If you want to purchase this speaker, link is in description. That's it in this video. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.